Okay, boys and girls, let's do another lesson in phonemic awareness, okay? I'm going to say a word, you repeat the word, and then you're going to say it in syllables. Boom, 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 okay? The first word, say concentrate. Say concentrate and break it into syllables. Good. Say reducing. Now chunk reducing into syllables. Say grocery. Now break it apart into syllables. Say frequently. Frequently. Now break it into syllables. Frequently. Say celery. Break it apart. Celery. Say different. Say monument. Monument. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to say a word part, then you're going to add a beginning, okay? So if I say under, now say under, but add W to the beginning. What word? Wonder. Okay? Say ager. Add to the beginning. Major. Say evil. Add ul to the beginning. Evil, level. Say asic. Add b. Basic. Say fine. Add a d. Define. Say cursive. Add a k to the beginning. Cursive. Good job. All right, this time instead of adding a sound, you're going to delete the first sound, okay? So it's going to be like this. I'll say tiger. Now say tiger, but don't say t. You understand? Okay. Say fashion. Say fashion, but don't say f. Good. Say tiger. Say tiger, but don't say t. Say whisper. Say whisper, but don't say w. Say cable. Say cable, but don't say k. Say partner. Say partner without the p. Say laser. Say laser, but don't say ooh. Good job. All right, this time you're going to repeat the word, but you're going to change the beginning sound, okay? So it's going to be like this. If I say sandal, change the s to h. What word? Handle. Okay. Say money, change the to s. Sunny. Say daughter, change the d to w. Water. Say camper, change the k to h. Hamper. Say packet, change the p to j. Jacket. Say sharing, change the sh to k. Caring. Say middle, change the to f. Fiddle. Say wizard, change the w to oo. Say potion, change the p to Say simple, change the s to d. Dimple. Say quarter, change the qu to b. Border. Okay, so yesterday we reviewed some sounds I don't know where my chart is. We can stop right here. That was fun.